Hi, this is Lauren Buches, and I'm here with another Home Studio LAC. Today we're going to work on some yarn monsters. Now this is a project we take out into the community when we do community outreach events. So you've probably seen us at Greensburg Music Fest making this. We like this project because it's quick and easy to do, it's easy to carry the supplies around, and it's something unique kids can work on. So what you'll need for this project is some yarn, some felt, a couple of googly eyes, tacky glue, and a good pair of scissors. Now I like to use fabric scissors for this, but really any kind of scissor generally works. Fabric scissors just are a little bit sharper and cut a little bit better. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick my color yarn. And I'm going to take a length of yarn. Doesn't have to be a certain size, it just needs to be long enough to wrap. And I'm going to leave it here. Then I'm going to take my yarn, I'm going to take my two fingers and spread them on my non-dominant hand as wide as possible. And then take my dominant hand and take the yarn and start wrapping it like this. I wrap this at least 50 times. The more you wrap, the bigger and fluffier your monster will be. The less you wrap, the smaller your monster will be. When you're satisfied with the amount of yarn that you have, you're going to take your scissors and cut the yarn. Then you're going to take your longer length and you're going to stick it through the gap in your fingers, like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to tie it as tightly as possible. So you create kind of like this ball with your two fingers sticking out from it. Now parents, you may need to help your kids with this. This is a difficult part of the process. And you want to make that knot as tight as possible. And once you do, you're going to carefully slide the fingers out. And then tighten it even more and double knot to secure. Now you have a little pom-pom kind of with a knot in the middle. Now you're going to take those scissors again and you're going to give the monster a haircut. You're going to take your scissors through the loops in the yarn that you created, making sure not to cut the one that's holding everything in the middle. And just start snipping carefully. Try to get all the loops without cutting that one in the middle, because if you cut this one out in the middle, it will fall apart. Alright, I think we got all of our loops. Now I'm going to take that longer piece of string in the middle, I'm going to cut that the length of the other pieces of yarn. And I'm just going to try to make sure everything's a little bit even. And there we have the body of our monster. It's actually a pom-pom. Now here's the fun part. I'm going to create some body parts for my monster out of some scraps of felt and tacky glue. So for feet, I think I want purple. So I'm just going to start cutting. And maybe make some abstract shapes here since these sides are scalloped. I think I actually want to give him 3 feet here. Maybe make him a red mouth. I'm also going to give my monster some horns. And finally, we're going to add the eyes. I think I just want to give him one. As you can see, it was very easy to make our monster. Now, if you want to make a two-toned monster, one with 2 colors in it, just use 2 different colors of yarn. And when you're wrapping it around your fingers, wrap both colors of yarn at the same time. That way, when you tie them off, it will create a kind of random patterning of the 2 tones. Thank you so much for this edition of Home Studio LAC. If you decide to make this project, please share it with us on our social media accounts, our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and our Instagram.